Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Many football fans are eagerly awaiting the start of arguably the biggest football event in the world. That's the World Cup, which has already begin on November 20, 2022, and which is going to come to an end on December 18 in Qatar. Beyond the football, some Nigerian athletes are also built to perform at the tournament. And among Nigerian artists to perform at the tournament, we have Ckay, Davido, and other Nigerian artists to perform at the tournament. Yes, guys, one of our own that is being paid to perform at the tournament is Patoranking, the reggae dancehall singer Patrick Okorie, that is popularly known as Patoranking, is scheduled to perform at the Al Bida Park in the country's capital, Doha, on November 28, 2022. And we all know that the Gelio crooner has undoubtedly carved a niche for himself with a style of music. Also, we have Ckay. He's also going to rock the music scene. He's going to rock the tournament, yes, and he's also set to perform at the 2022 Qatar World Cup. And for Daniel, this is just a dream come true because the Gulf singer had taken to his Twitter page months earlier to say that he wished to perform his hit song, which is Buga, at the tournament. And he wrote on June 2022 that, God, I want to perform Buga for the World Cup with a mass choir, and God granted his request. So he said, help me to say amen. And a few months later, he is set to perform at the opening ceremony of the games. And you see, guys, just watch what you say with your mouth because you never can tell. So another artist in Nigeria that we have that is being built to sing at the tournament is Chukwuka Ifeanyi, that is better known as Ckay. He will also join his Nigerian counterpart to perform at the tournament too. In an interview with Al Jazeera, the singer stated that he was excited to be one of the artists that will be performing at the World Cup. So he had said, even though Nigeria did not qualify for the World Cup, no, we started. At least there's still Nigeria representation in the area of music, and which is a good one. So, and if you can recall that Ckay 2019 song, which is titled "Love Wanted to Enjoy Global Acceptance." So, and the last but not the least, we have the likes of Davido. Though he was not listed among the artists that will perform at the World Cup, the popular singer David Adeleke, aka Davido, had featured. So he was featured on the theme song for the competition. So he was joined with a Latin American singer Trinidad Cardona and Qatari singer Aisha to record the song titled Higher Higher, which is better together. So that's it on the update for the 2022 World Cup, which holds in Qatar.